Part of the tools that the site plan editor gives you is the development of a concept. For example, you can develop a concept with building an ADU or building, pergola and otherwise. Let's talk about building an ADU. So you click on the object, select it, you point to the area that you wish to put the ADU at, and simply draw what you believe you want the ADU to be and how it's going to look like as a rectangular, right? So this became a 495 square feet ADU. You can go to the bottom here and type in, you see on the bottom, I can type in, this is going to be a 30 by, and I make that 20. So by simply typing in the information there, you actually are creating the right size of the ADU. So it is an ADU. Each object has its own criteria, right? So you can put it here, you can rotate it, you can do whatever you wish to do, right? Just like any other objects. As you do, you will go in and then you select, this is, the entrance is pointing towards D, right? So if you look at your lines, the lines that you see on the property line are your axles. So the D side is, we have to zoom in. These are I, G, and H. And because it has curves, it has a lot of different type of sides. So this is A. There is D. You see here? That's D. So this is pointing towards D. So this is the entrance, right? Now, you can say you want to point it towards A. A is here, so you turn around, point it towards A. So that's the entrance of the ADU. And you can also do it from here as well. You can actually select it and it will basically point it. You want the roof to be gable or hip or shed, so we put gable as a standard. And you have other things that you can select as well. Once you have your ADU selected, clearly you can go take a look at it and see how it's going to look with the rest of the objects, not only in this flat mode, but also you can go through a 3D mode. On the 3D mode, it knows that where it is. You see it on the angles. You can rotate it around. You can use simulations to find out where the shade's going to be in the summer and winter and so forth. So there's many options for building this concept. Another thing that you can do is you can use the different parts of this scenario to develop other things. For example, let's just use the line tool to develop. You just put in some walkway, and these are all based on the measurements and so forth. So we put in the walkway to the side as well. So you can develop different kind of concepts by using the tools, various tools that's available to you. Once you develop any of these things, then you can go to your export and export a site plan. You will have everything you need to further edit it in your application that you wish to add on to.